Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today I'll be teaching you how to hide photos and videos on your Galaxy A16, all versions. First, you need to open the Photo Gallery app on your phone, okay? Once you're in the Photo Gallery app, you'll click on the Albums option, and now you need to create a new album. Click on the three dots, and now we're going to create a new album, okay? Hold on a second. Okay, to create a new album, you'll click here. Now you'll select the album option. You need to give this album a name, and here, if you have a memory card inserted in your phone, you can choose whether you want to save this album to your phone's memory or to the memory card. So we click on Create Album. With the album created, what you'll do now is go back, enter all your images, press and hold your finger and select all the images and videos you want to hide. Then you'll click on the three dots and select the Move to Album option. Now you'll select the album we just created. Those images will all be moved to the album we just created. We go back, click on Albums again, click here and select, now let me see. Let's select this option here. Now you'll activate the album you created and move the files into it. We'll go back, and now the photos and videos will no longer appear on your phone. They're hidden in this album. To access this content again, you'll click here, select this deactivate option, and now you'll be able to access the album again. To remove files from here, press and hold on the first file. Select the files you want to remove, tap the three dots, and choose Move to Album. Now, for example, I'll select the camera album and move them all there. And that was today's video. I hope I was helpful. If I helped you, don't forget to leave a like, drop your comment below, and if possible, subscribe to the channel for more videos.